You're hiking in the woods, reveling in the tranquility of nature. Suddenly you feel an intense itchiness on your skin. What could be stealing your peace? It might be one of the approximately 850 tick species in the United States. These tiny parasites, lurking in tall grass and ready to latch onto unsuspecting passers-by, are not just annoying, they are also potentially dangerous. In fact, in 2019, the CDC reported nearly 50,000 cases of tick-borne diseases, and here's the terrifying part: most tick bites go unnoticed. Why does this matter? Because tick saliva can transmit diseases, transforming a simple bite into something far more serious. Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and the Powassan virus are just a few of the potential threats these critters carry. Terrified? Fear not. Let's dive into some steps to avoid any possible attack. Step 1. Get a leg up. When venturing into tick-infested areas, wear light-colored clothing to spot ticks easily. Choose long sleeves and pants and tuck them into your socks or boots. This simple step can make a huge difference in your exposure to these tiny hitchhikers. And don't forget to spray your clothing and exposed skin with an insect repellent containing DEET. Consider work gloves for added protection. Step 2. Check yourself. Make it a habit to inspect your body for ticks, especially after being outdoors. These little bloodsuckers love the back of the neck, scalp, and limbs. Also, remember to check your pets. They can become a transport system for ticks straight into your home. Step 3. Don't listen to old wives' tales. If you find a tick on you, don't panic. Get a pair of tweezers, grasp the tick firmly at the attachment site and pull it out slowly and steadily. Squeezing the tick's body is a big no-no, as it can cause the tick to regurgitate into your bloodstream. Step 4. Keep the tick. Yes, you heard it right. Once you've removed the tick, put it in a plastic baggie for identification purposes. If you develop symptoms later on, knowing the type of tick that bit you can assist in your diagnosis. Be on the lookout for signs of Lyme disease, such as a bullseye rash, fever, or joint pain. Step 5. Check for infestations. Conduct a tick check on your property by dragging a white cloth through areas where ticks might hide. If you find ticks on the cloth, consider treating your yard with pesticides, focusing on shrubs and tall grass. Remember, while tick bites can be serious, swift action and caution can minimize the risk of tick-borne illnesses. Remember TP. Stay vigilant, and don't let these tiny critters ruin your outdoor adventures. Don't forget to share these tips with a friend. Comment your own horror stories below, like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for future ones. Take care and stay safe. See you in the next video.